I search for design in everything I see around. My inspiration is the sun, the world, and in the people who live around me. It's not just about clothes. It is about my vision. It is about what I can make. About what I can be. I was born to make people look beautiful. My fashion is no nonsense. I believe touching lives is more important than a label. I'm a Gen N girl. I choose to follow my dreams.